Hi, I'm John O'Franklin from Wealth Mentor. Today's topic that I'm going to be discussing with you is the concept of gross yield. Gross yield is a calculation that we can use to determine how much rent we're getting in relation to the purchase price or value of a property. So gross yield, you would take your annual rent of a property. So, if you're getting $300 per week rent on a property, you would multiply that by 52, obviously, to get your annual rent. You will then take your annual rent and divide that by the purchase price. That calculation is going to give you a percentage, which is going to be your gross yield. Again, gross yield, now the number that is higher is going to be determining more cash flow. The lower gross yield is probably going to be a potentially negatively geared property. Often when we're looking at markets and figuring out whether it's worth us investing in a market or in a property or investigating a property further, we're going to be looking at numbers generally over around that 6% gross yield and higher. Some of our multi-income properties might be even in the 10, 12, 15% gross yield. And these are when we get the very high cash flowing properties. So don't forget, gross yield doesn't take into account expenses. That's net yield, which I'm going to be covering off in one of our other videos. But gross yield, quick calculation, nice and easy to work out and see whether the property is worth investigating. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and most importantly, stay awesome.